Top 5 minimalist apps to simplify your workflow.
Discover powerful, distraction-free apps designed to help you focus, get more done, and keep your workflow clean and simple. In this list, we'll cover 5 standout minimalist productivity apps that make task management and organization effortless, without clutter or unnecessary features.
1. Notion, all-in-one workspace.
Notion streamlines notes, tasks, and project management in a clean, customizable interface. You can create lists, databases, and collaborative pages all in one place. Its minimalist design helps you focus on essentials, and flexible templates make it easy to build exactly what you need, free from distractions.
2. Todoist, simple task organizer.
Stands out for its intuitive, clutter-free design that makes managing tasks effortless. Add, schedule, and prioritize to-dos with just a few taps. Its minimalist approach means you only see what's important, keeping you focused and organized throughout your workday.
3. Bear, minimalist note-taking.
Air offers a beautifully simple way to capture thoughts, meeting notes, or research. Its interface is free of distractions and uses tags for easy organization. With formatting tools that stay out of the way, Bear lets you concentrate on content, making it ideal for focused writing and note-taking.
4. Focus at will, music for productivity.
Focus at Will provides specially curated music designed to boost concentration and reduce distractions. The app features a clean interface, allowing you to choose productivity playlists without any visual clutter. It's perfect for anyone who works better with background sounds while maintaining a minimal digital workspace.
5. Minimalist, distraction-free, to-do list.
Minimalist lives up to its name, with a sleek white interface and basic functions. Just enter your tasks and swipe them away when complete. Its simplicity helps you focus on what matters, making it a favorite for those seeking a calming, efficient app to manage tasks without overwhelm.
Why minimalist apps work?
Minimalist productivity apps remove unnecessary options and flashy features so you can focus on getting things done. By reducing visual clutter and streamlining your workflow, they help you stay organized, avoid burnout, and maintain mental clarity, making your workdays smoother and more efficient.